Hey, were you getting him? Easy. Not so loud. Oh, did he slobber on you?
Yes.
Hey, what are you doing?
Are you ready?
Are you tickling your brother? Look at that look of adoration. Hi. Hi. What's he doing?
I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm swapping.
Are you going to carry your brother?
No.
Hmm?
Yes.